Our topic today is the Excel integration test, which is an end-to-end test that starts Excel and checks that the values are the expected values. This is the test case for the solar photovoltaic utility scenario. The first thing it does is check that Microsoft Excel can start at all. If the test is running on a system that does not have Microsoft Excel installed, it will be skipped. It then opens the unmodified Project Drawdown Excel implementation of the model and extracts several columns from the spreadsheet. These will be used as the expected values to compare against. It opens the modified version of the Excel file, which uses Visual Basic to communicate with a backend Python service. It starts a local Python Flask server and sets several of the cells in the spreadsheet to tell the Visual Basic code to use the localhost server. It then pulls the same columns out of the spreadsheet and compares that they match the expected values. If we run it, it first starts Excel just to check whether Excel is present. It then opens the unmodified file, which takes a moment. It pulled the expected values out of that file. It is now opening the modified file using Visual Basic, which also takes a while. And there it is. The values that come from the two versions are not exactly the same. The Excel calculation engine's handling of floating point does not exactly match Python. So the test case uses pytest.approx. The values vary in the last, at the roughly the 12th digit after the decimal point. Okay, thank you.